Hey y'all, it's Charity. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm showing you how I make my custom ribbons. This is 100% polyester and it's satin. This also applies for the gloss grain ribbon. So you can really choose your preference based on whatever look you're trying to go for. You're gonna need heat tape because this is a fairly small scale project. Also gonna need your scissors, your printed image, of course. And so let's get started. So first off, I'm going to basically tape my image to my ribbon. I'm picking the glossier side, the side with the glossier finish. Do not judge me because and I'm just gonna tape these little tips right here. Really just the one tip. We'll see. If it looks like it's gonna be firm and kind of like do its own thing, then yeah, we'll use one piece of tape. But my default is less tape as possible. So because this edge is already frayed, I'm not worrying about it unraveling more with the tape. But basically you just thin your paper out, fan it out, basically position it the way you want it. I am going to use another piece of tape just to make it secure. First of all, if this is your first time watching or if you are a new subscriber, I would like to say thank you for coming. I hope you love it here. I want this to feel like a place where you're just crafting with your cousin. Something like that, to where you're comfortable and you know that I'll do my best to answer your questions, and you know, we can kind of all do this little thing together. So now it's pretty sturdy, so I'm gonna go ahead and press it. My press is right adjacent to me. So I mean, if you're not new to my channel, you've seen how I press. I'm basically going to lay down my, I call it blowout paper, but it's really whatever. Lay it out like this and then cover it. But because I did print with my 13 by 19, my paper is actually not going to be long enough, so I'm going to double up. This is my little blowout paper. I don't use anything special. Just some paper that I ultimately could not sublimate with. But here comes Eris. Okay. And then of course you take these other sheets and cover it. The purpose of something like this, and I just close my press again, everybody has to find what works best for them as far as their settings and things like that. So as for me, I have found that $4.30 for 120, or no, it might be 150. 150 seconds works best for me. I'm gonna show you how I did this. Well, a little bit. So this is what I meant by side-by-side pieces. I thought I was gonna get to show you guys some updated business cards, but this is not really to scale. So I'm gonna have to come in here, fix this up, and then I'll show you. But I do want to announce that we will be having a giveaway. The page has really been picking up, and I'm super excited. I'm happy to know that you guys are interested in sublimation. And for that reason, to show my appreciation, I would like to host a giveaway. Now, this giveaway will be for our 200, listen, humble beginnings, okay, people? Our 200 milestone, we're like 20 away. So I'm going to say at the absolute longest, a month from today, which is May 19th, 2020, a month from today, I'll pick the winner. Or how about this? You guys can let me know what you think. Or once we actually hit 200, then start the giveaway, which hopefully is a lot sooner than the whole month. But this is really the official announcement. I think I have alluded to something like this possibly happening, but the time is finally here, and yeah. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is, since it's still hot, I'm just gonna do the exact same thing, which I'm not actually gonna take this down. Actually, I am, because I don't want to waste time and effort. So I'm going to tape this down, then I'll finish telling you about. Tape this down, close it, sublimate. Okay, I'm tripping. Okay, y'all, so wish me luck. Okay, so a month from today, May 19th, or once we hit 200 subscribers, there will be a giveaway on this channel. Exactly what's in, and since Father's Day is coming up, and hopefully we hit that before Father's Day, I have a few options of things that you could get as a winner. One of which, of course, being a handmade mask by moi. Another is possibly a pair of socks, possibly a what do you call it? A wallet. I also have some women's jewelry. So this is the official announcement to basically say, be on the lookout, turn your notifications on. The way this channel has been moving, we hopefully will not need to even wait. Like, hopefully it's on and popping. So yeah, the purpose of this video is also to let you guys know that you should always try to think outside of the box. The basic thing about sublimation that I think you should know is that it enables you to create custom textiles. And so from that, the possibilities are literally endless. You look around anywhere in your home, anywhere there's fabric, you could have essentially subbed and used, you know, polyester or, you know, whatever to create what you're looking at. So you like your couch, or you don't like your couch. Hey, you could probably sublimate some couch covers and boom, have exactly what you want. Here we go. And like with today's project, you can go, or not go in, but expand your business. If you're a bow maker, gift wrapper, anything like that, here it is, y'all. Custom fabric. So that really enables you to make bows, wrap presents. Like, think about it. The possibilities are endless. Those little JoJo Siwa or whatever kids like. All these different people. Actually, Target, at least online, had some girl, I think it was like Lottie something. It was so cute. It's kind of JoJo-esque. And I'm only saying that because it's another bow. You really don't know of name brand bows for little kids. So that's the only reason I'm using that as a reference point. Her bows are totally unique and cute. But just an idea. You can use this for, I've made a few to top off tumblers, like gift wrap, whatever. You can use these like for the party people. You can make your own custom fabric when you do like the banners that go around, what is it called, where the kids eat. Making custom, anyways, even regular banners, you have your own custom fabric, ribbon, just a little pop, doesn't take long. That was literally like maybe 5 minutes. So yeah, and from here I'll probably create a cute little bow and post it. But that's my little tidbit. If you guys think of outside of the box ways to utilize sublimation, let me know, because I'd be eager to try it out. I'm literally a student and willing to learn things every day. But here's a close-up of my little Busy Bee textile ribbon. This is super cute. Competitions, cheer, like whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. And stay tuned, cut your alerts on for our giveaway.